In this video, you'll know how to redeem Bloxburg codes in Roblox. Here's the reality check. Welcome to Bloxburg doesn't have a code redemption system. That's right. Despite what you might see online, there are currently no working codes for Bloxburg. The developers have never implemented a codes feature in this game. Unlike other popular Roblox games, you won't find a codes button, a GIF icon, or any way to redeem promotional codes for free Bloxbux or items. This has been a consistent design choice by the developer Coeptust since the game's creation. So why do you see Bloxburg codes all over the internet? Many websites create fake code lists to get clicks, but none of them actually work in the game. Don't waste your time trying to find a codes menu that doesn't exist. The game went free to play in June 2024, but even after this mid-year update, no code system was added. So you better save yourself the hassle and focus on actual gameplay.